Palmyra Atoll is a remote and uninhabited atoll located in the Pacific Ocean under United States jurisdiction. Display a map of the Pacific, highlighting Palmyra Atoll's position between Hawaii and American Samoa. Explain that Palmyra Atoll is uninhabited, serving as a nature reserve with no permanent human population. Briefly mention that Palmyra Atoll was first sighted by Europeans in the 18th century, though it was never permanently settled. Show old maritime maps and historical images. Early discovery: Palmyra Atoll was first sighted by Europeans in the 18th century. Although it was noted for its beauty and isolation, it was never permanently settled. Military significance. During World War II, Palmyra Atoll held strategic importance as a naval air station. The remnants of this era, such as old airstrips and abandoned infrastructure, still tell the story of its military past. Pristine ecosystem. Palmyra Atoll is home to a vibrant and untouched ecosystem. Its coral reefs, turquoise lagoons, and lush vegetation create a stunning natural paradise. Pristine ecosystem. Palmyra Atoll is home to a vibrant and untouched ecosystem. Wildlife. Showcase the diverse species of birds, marine life, and plants that thrive on the atoll. Focus on the protection efforts to preserve the wildlife. Nature reserve. Emphasize Palmyra's status as a protected nature reserve managed by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. Highlight the ongoing conservation efforts, featuring images of researchers working in the area and the flourishing ecosystem. Palmyra Atoll is a protected nature reserve managed by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. The ongoing conservation efforts here are truly remarkable, with researchers diligently working to preserve this flourishing ecosystem. Atolls like Palmyra face significant environmental threats, including climate change and rising sea levels. The fragile coral reef ecosystem is particularly vulnerable to these changes. Public access to Palmyra Atoll is heavily restricted to protect its delicate environment. The isolated beaches and pristine waters highlight the remoteness of this unique location. No public tourism is allowed on Palmyra Atoll. Access is heavily restricted to protect its delicate environment. This ensures that the pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters remain untouched and preserved. Palmyra Atoll primarily serves as a research site for environmental and ecological studies. Scientists here study the rich marine life and biodiversity, contributing valuable insights into the health of our oceans. Ongoing efforts are in place to ensure Palmyra Atoll remains an ecological treasure for future generations. The atoll plays a crucial role in global conservation efforts, especially in preserving coral reefs and protecting endangered species. Discussing the ongoing efforts to ensure Palmyra Atoll remains an ecological treasure for future generations. It's important to highlight the atoll's significance in global conservation, particularly in safeguarding coral reefs and endangered species.